Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, dear students? I hope you all are fine. Second year, now we are going to start question number 4 of our exercise 2.4. We have to prove that dy over dx plus x is equal to 0. This is our requirement. While x is given here 1 minus t square over 1 plus t square, while y is given here 2t over 1 plus t square, and we have to calculate why dy over dx plus x is equal to 0. Okay, so now we are going to solve this to prove it. As it's given in question, x is equal to 1 minus t square or 1 plus t square. First of all, we will deal this one. So observe this given statement carefully. You can easily judge that there are two terms, first written in numerator and second one is written in denominator. So which tool we will use here? I am repeating again. The derivative of any constant is equal to 0 and derivative of any variable with respect to itself is equal to 1. While power rule is if there is any term present here with power, just like x cube, x raised to power 4, okay, a raised to power 4 in this way. So we will use this one and x n minus 1 into derivative of that variable with respect to itself, that is equal to 1. And secondly, we will use product rule if there are two terms, just like here f of x and g of x, both are written in multiplication product form, then we will use product rule. What's product rule? First term written as it is, derivative of second one, plus second term written as it is, derivative of first term. So this is product rule. While if two terms are written in division form, first in written in numerator and second one is in denominator, then we will apply quotient rule. So what is quotient rule? Denominator term written in start, while derivative of numerator term minus numerator term as it is and derivative of denominator term, and all these terms are divided by denominator term square of the denominator term. Okay, so while in this question, in question number 4 or exercise 2.4, we will observe that x is equal to 1 minus t square or 1 plus t square. This is given statement, given function. So in this given term, we will apply quotient rule. Okay, so on left hand side dx over dt, differentiate with respect to x, as on left hand side x and on right hand side t, dx over dt. Differentiate x with respect to t, so we get dx over dt is equal to d over dt 1 minus t square or 1 plus t square. So derivative of this term is by applying quotient rule, denominator term square of the denominator term written in whole denominator, while denominator term written in first, while derivative of numerator term 1 minus t square minus 1 minus t square and derivative of denominator term. Okay, in start denominator term written first, while derivative of numerator term minus numerator term written as it is and derivative of denominator term, and all these terms are divided by the square of denominator term. Now after applying quotient rule, 1 plus t square as it is, derivative of 1 minus t square, 1 is constant, okay, its derivative is 0, so no need to write 0, minus as it is, square of derivative of t square 2t and 2 minus 1 1, and derivative of t with respect to itself is 1, so its derivative is minus 2t. Okay, minus sign as it is, 1 minus t square as it is, and the derivative of 1 plus t square is, now here is plus, so its derivative is 2t, just like here there is minus sign, so minus 2t plus sign plus 2t. Okay, and in denominator term is as it is 1 plus t square whole square, 1 plus t square, and next one Now multiply minus 2t with 1 plus t square, it becomes minus 2t, and when minus 2t multiplied by t square, minus 2t cube, minus as it is minus 2t plus 2t cube, and whole power is divided by, all terms are divided by square of 1 plus t square. You can see here minus 2t minus 2t minus 4t minus 2t cube plus 2t cube cancel out, left behind minus 4t over 1 plus t square whole square. So this is your dx over dt. Enclose it in a bracket, and after that you can write it as dx over dt is equal to minus 4t over this one, while its reverse dt over dx is equal to its reverse here, minus 4t in numerator, now it is in denominator, right? So now we are going to solve to handle the term y is equal to 2t1 plus t square, because as we have to prove this one. So now y is equal to 2t over 1 plus t square, differentiative, we get dy over dt is equal to derivative of right hand term 2t over 1 plus t square. Again we will apply which rule here? Power rule, product rule, quotient rule. Yes, quotient rule. 1 plus t square derivative of numerator term minus 2t derivative of denominator term, and all these terms are divided by square of the denominator term, right? Simple derivative of 2t, derivative of t with respect to itself is 1, so only left behind 2, minus 2t as it is, and derivative of 1 plus t square as we have done in first part 2t, it becomes plus 2t. Okay, so now in simple calculation, 2 multiplied by 1 plus t square, it becomes 2 plus 2t square minus as it is 2 to the 4t square, and denominator term is as it is. Now simple one, 2t square minus 4t square, left behind minus 2t square, minus 2 as it is 2 minus 2t square over 1 plus t square whole square of the denominator term. Dy over dt becomes, as we have taken 2 common, 2 into 1 minus t square over 1 plus t square, and we can write it as this is dy over dt, and when we will write in the form of dt over dy, it becomes numerator terms come in denominator writes in numerator, and numerator terms come in denominator. Okay, so now by applying chain rule, dy over dx is equal to dy over dt into dt over dx. Now dy over dt we have calculated right now, that is 2 into 1 minus t square or 1 plus t square. Okay girls, while dt over dx, this one we have calculated in last steps, its value is 1 plus t square whole square over minus 4t. So after simplification, 2 to the 4, only left behind here minus 2, in denominator 2 written here. Okay, and 2 is written here. 1 plus t square whole square is in denominator, while in numerator there is also 1 plus t square whole square, cancel out. So left behind term is 2, 1 minus t square written here, this 2 is cancelled, this one minus 1 minus t square over 2t, dy over dx is now minus 1 minus t square over 2t. We have calculated dy over dx, but this is not our complete requirement, as we have to prove this one, y dy over dx plus x is equal to 0. So now multiplying both sides by y dy over dx left hand side is equal to y 1 minus t square over 2t, minus is already present in the term. Okay, so minus 2, what's the value of y? As it is given in question, value of y is 2t over 1 plus t square, 2t over 1 plus t square. Okay, it is given in statement, in question. So now after simplification, 2t cancel out, minus sign as it is in numerator 1 minus t square and in denominator 1 plus t square. Okay, and can you realize that 1 minus t square or 1 plus t square, it is the value of this one. X is equal to 1 minus t square over 1 plus t square, that is given in question statement. So by putting in place of this term x, y dy over dx is equal to minus x. So now we have proved that when you change minus x from right hand side on left hand side, when you shifted this minus x from right hand side to left hand side, it becomes over the requirement of the question. So y dy over dx plus x is equal to 0. So this is our required condition. So hence proved y dy over dx plus x is equal to 0. Dear students, we have completed 4 questions of exercise 2.4. So only one question left now. So it's your home task. Do practice of question number 1 to 4, all parts of the questions. Fi amanillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.